Lima, I need your help. I just got my first paycheck and honestly, I have no idea what to do with it. Wait, you don't know where to put your money? Should I keep it under my mattress in a box? I'm completely lost.
Okay, that's exactly why today's lesson is perfect. We're diving into everything about banking, and trust me, it's way simpler than you think. Welcome everyone to Smart English Official, where learning English is smart and simple. I'm Lima. I'm here to help you master English in the smartest way possible.
And I'm James. Lima, I'm so glad to be here today. You know what? Something interesting happened to me yesterday.
Oh, really? Tell me about it, James.
I received my first paycheck from my new job, and I realized I didn't know the best way to handle it. Should I keep the cash? Should I deposit it somewhere?
That's actually perfect timing. Today we're diving into everything about banking and financial institutions. This is super practical stuff.
Financial institutions? That sounds very formal.
It does sound formal, but don't worry. We're going to break it down into simple, everyday language. Banks are just places that help us manage our money safely.
That makes sense. So where do I even start?
Well, the very first step is understanding what kind of accounts are available. Have you heard of a current account?
Current account? Is that the same as a checking account?
Exactly. In some countries, they say current account, and in others, they say checking account. It's the same thing. An account for your daily expenses.
Got it. So that's where my paycheck should go?
Yes. And here's a pro tip. Many employers can do direct deposit, which means your salary goes straight into your account automatically.
Oh, that's convenient. No need to physically go anywhere.
Exactly. Now, let me ask you, are you planning to spend all your paycheck immediately?
No, definitely not. I want to save some for the future.
Smart thinking. That's where a savings account comes in. You can open a second account specifically for money you don't plan to touch.
So I'd have two separate accounts?
Many people do. One for spending, one for saving. Some savings accounts even pay you interest.
Wait, the bank pays me?
Yes, it's usually a small percentage, but your money grows over time just by sitting there. That's called earning interest.
That's amazing. Okay, so let's say I want to open these accounts. What's the process?
First, you'll need to visit a branch. That's what we call the physical bank location. You can also do it online now with most banks.
What documents do I need to bring?
Typically, you'll need proof of identity, like a passport or national ID card. You'll also need proof of address, like a utility bill or rental agreement.
Okay, I have those things. Then what?
The bank representative will help you complete an application form. You'll provide your personal details, employment information, and choose what type of accounts you want.
And then I get a bank card?
Yes, you'll receive a debit card in the mail within a few days. This card is linked directly to your account.
What's the difference between a debit card and a credit card?
Great question. A debit card uses money you already have in your account. A credit card lets you borrow money from the bank that you pay back later.
So debit is my own money, credit is borrowed money.
Perfect. You've got it. Now let's talk about actually using your account. If you want to add money, what do?
I guess I go to the bank and give them the money.
You can. That's called making a deposit. You can deposit cash or checks at the counter or at a special machine.
There's a machine for that?
Yes, it's called a cash deposit machine, or an ATM with deposit functionality. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine.
Oh, I've seen those. That's where I can withdraw money too, right?
Exactly. Withdrawing is taking money out. You insert your card, enter your PIN, that's your personal identification number, and select how much you want.
My PIN is like a password?
Yes, and it's crucial to keep it secret. Never write it down where someone could find it, and never share it with anyone.
What if someone steals my card?
Call your bank immediately to freeze the account. Most banks have 24-hour hotlines for emergencies like this.
That's reassuring. Lima, what about when I need to pay for things? Do I always use cash?
Not at all. You can use your debit card to pay at stores, restaurants, online shopping, almost everywhere now.
Is it safer than carrying cash?
Generally, yes. If you lose cash, it's gone forever. If you lose your card, you can cancel it. Plus, you can track all your spending. Speaking of tracking, let's talk about mobile banking. Do you have a smartphone, James?
Of course. Everyone does nowadays.
Most banks have apps where you can check your balance. That means seeing how much money you have. Transfer money, pay bills, everything.
So I don't really need to visit the branch often.
Not really. Maybe just when opening the account or for complex issues. Most daily banking is done digitally now.
What about transferring money to friends or family?
Easy. You can do a bank transfer using their account number. Some apps even let you send money with just their phone number or email.
That's so convenient. What if I need to send money to another country?
That's called an international transfer or wire transfer. It usually takes a few days and has higher fees.
Higher fees? So banks charge for services?
Some services have fees, yes. It's important to ask about the fee structure when opening your account. Some accounts have monthly maintenance fees too.
I should look for accounts with low fees then.
Absolutely. Compare different banks. Some offer free accounts if you maintain a minimum balance.
Minimum balance?
That means keeping at least a certain amount of money in your account at all times, like $500 or $1,000.
Okay, I understand. What about loans? I've heard people talk about getting loans from banks.
Yes, loans are when you borrow money from the bank and pay it back over time with interest. Common types include personal loans, car loans, and mortgages.
Mortgage, that's for buying a house, right?
Correct. Mortgages are usually the biggest loans people take out in their lifetime.
This is a lot of information. Can we review the key vocabulary?
Absolutely. Let's do a quick recap. James, what do we call the money you put into your account?
A deposit.
And when you take money out?
A withdrawal.
What's the card connected to your own money called?
A debit card.
And the secret number you use at the ATM?
My PIN, personal identification number.
Excellent. What about the money the bank pays you for keeping savings with them?
Interest.
Perfect. And if I need to send money to my cousin in another country?
You do an international transfer or wire transfer.
You're a natural, James. One more thing. Do you know what overdraft means?
I'm not sure about that one.
An overdraft happens when you spend more money than you have in your account. The bank might let you do this, but they'll charge you fees.
So I should always check my balance before spending?
Yes, that's a very important habit. Avoid overdraft fees by staying aware of how much you have.
Got it. Lima, I feel so much more confident about banking now.
That's wonderful. Remember, don't be shy at the bank. If you don't understand something, ask questions. Bank staff are there to help you.
That's good advice. Banking doesn't seem scary anymore.
It shouldn't be. It's just a tool to help you manage your money smartly. And speaking of smart, let's hear from our Smart English official community.
Yes, we want to ask you all a question.
Here it is. What was your first experience with a bank? Was it opening an account, using an ATM, or something else? Share your story in the comments.
We love hearing from you. Your experiences help other learners too.
And if you found this lesson helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart English Official.
Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our new lessons.
We post practical English lessons like this every week. Real situations, real vocabulary, real confidence.
Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Remember, banking in English is all about knowing the right words and not being afraid to ask questions.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay smart.
This is Lima
And James. Lima and signing off from Smart English Official.
Take care, everyone.
See you in the next lesson.